British lawmakers have slammed the government's early response to the pandemic, calling it one of the country's worst public health failures. The British House of Commons issued a scathing report noting that, quote, a full lockdown was inevitable and should have come sooner. CBS News contributor Simon Bates explains why in this week's installment of London Calling. And as always, Simon's opinions are his own, not necessarily reflective of CBSN.
Here in Britain, the country's still struggling to come to terms with this week's extraordinary report into our government's handling of the pandemic. It was made even worse for Prime Minister Boris Johnson because the two chairpeople of the parliamentary committees that authored that report come from his own party, and some of the detail is devastating. The legislators described delays to the first lockdown in March 2020 as, quote, one of the most important public health failures the United Kingdom has ever experienced. Take it from me, they don't come much stronger than that. But there was more. The report concluded that the British government's initial policy, proposed by its top scientists, was to achieve herd immunity by infection. In other words, let the virus spread across the land, leaving behind a population bursting with antibodies, something the government denied at the time, and not surprisingly still denies, because the report alleges that what it calls this fatalistic consensus cost thousands of British lives before it was abandoned. The legislators also strongly criticised the so-called groupthink that permeated all levels of the establishment here, with scientists and ministers failing to even consider alternative approaches taken by other countries, like tighter border controls. In short, the legislators conclude that too little was done to stop the virus spreading in the early days, despite evidence from Italy showing how deadly that virus could be. But the criticism didn't stop there. The report notes that the discharge of elderly patients from hospitals into care homes without proper testing led to thousands more deaths. Surely a scandal in itself. On the plus side, special praise is made of Britain's vaccination programme, from the research and development right through to its world-beating rollout. It's described as one of the most effective initiatives ever in UK history. All in all, the report is detailed but damning. Meantime, Prime Minister Boris Johnson is vacationing with his family in Spain. That's London Calling for today. This is Simon Bates for CBS News in Devon.